Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your mom, Marilyn. Back again for another beauty video. But today's video is going to be something I've never done before. There's this trend on Instagram. I've seen some YouTubers do it, and some TikTok. Oh, I saw a TikTok video where there was this way to apply a foundation that will change your life. So today I'm going to be trying it out. And if it works out, if it gives me a very wonderful look, then why not? I'm going to just change my foundation routine. Let's get right into the makeup look. So I'm going to stab this dog. So I'm just going to start off by cleaning my face. Today's video, I'll be doing my brows last, because every time I do my brows before my makeup, it tends to clean off. My foundation finds a way of cleaning up my brows. So today I'm just gonna stick to my regular routine of doing my foundation first, then do my brows last. Okay, this foundation routine is what I'm going to be trying. But first, the name is even clean. So I'll be using this micellar water to clean up my face. So guys, how is this isolation treating me? I'm almost running mad, but at the same time I'm having fun. I don't know how to place it. My lips are really dry, so I'm going to be applying a lipstick, a lip gloss. So I'll be using the e.l.f. moisturizer. Hopefully catch it. Yo, yes, I'll be using the e.l.f. moisturizer. It's an hydrating moisturizer. So guys, how is the isolation going for me? Yeah, well, I'm not been really sleeping. People are like, oh, they've been sleeping all through. I have not been sleeping. No, sleep has been far away from me. Hopefully this week will bring sleep. Okay, this is where the new foundation routine starts from. After moisturizing my face, I'm going to be going into my S-Pon loose setting powder. I'm not using S-Pon. I'll be going into my RCME no color powder to set my moisturizer. I'll be using the e.l.f. mineral infused face primer. I like how this primer rubs off on my face. Most of the products I'll be using in this video will be mostly drugstore products, because they are easily affordable, and I want to make sure this look everybody can achieve it without going over budget. I'll be using the Huda Beauty Cinnamon 440G foundation, but I'll be adding it to the Zickel Even Tone foundation. I found out that the Huda Beauty foundation is lighter than my skin. I don't know how I didn't know it was lighter before. And then this is like almost my perfect shade. So when I combine the two of them, this is more oily and this is matte. When I combine them, it gives me this dewy look I really like. So I'm going to do that. Right now, I have applied my foundation. So I'm going to go into a concealer. I'll be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12.5, and also I'll be using the Colourpop No Filter concealer in Tan 50. You can see that when I was applying my makeup, I avoided applying makeup under my eye, immediately under my eye, because the concealer will go on top, so I don't want it to be like double coating on it. So I go in with my concealer. Going back to the brush I used to apply my foundation, just gonna start up by blending out the concealer, blending it out bit by bit, starting from the edge. Before I conceal too much, I'm going to apply the Colourpop concealer in Tan 50 to the edge. To contour my face, I'm using a darker foundation, the ZK dark foundation, because it is really dark. I'm just going to use as little as possible. So now I'm going to go back into the brush and blend it out. So after that, I'm going to be setting my face. I'll be setting my face with the RCMA. No color powder. I'm really liking how my foundation is coming up. Like how my skin is. I can't explain it, but it feels good. Like it looks good. I don't know if you can really see. I'm sure you can see it. I'm really liking this method. But I'm going to do my brows. The good part about doing your brows when you've done your foundation is you don't get to use a lot of product. Just line it out and just brush it. We're going to the Mellow Cosmetics Stardust Glow Palette. I'll be using the bronzer. I'll be bronzing my face. We're dusting the excess powder on my face using the e.l.f. powder brush. While doing that, I'll be blending out the contour using my Early Girl True Bronze powder. After blending, I'll be applying the blush, still from the Mellow Cosmetics palette, the blush in Sigma. Because I'm basically all about my foundation routine, I'm going to be doing not so much on my eyelids. In this video, I'm concentrating more on my foundation than my eyes. I'm just going to do my eyeshadow off camera and I'll be right back. I'm going to be highlighting my face. I'll be using the Mellow Cosmetics Stardust Glow palette. I'll be using Nova and Luna and just mix it up together. Give me this pinky tone that I'm not really liking, so I'm going to change the palette. Give me this pink tone. Can you see it? I'm not really liking it. I'm going for something more gold, so I'll change the palette. I'll be using the Early Girl Strobe Light. It's broken, but it's still gonna work. Is this bronze effect? Oh, but you can't really see because the already underlaid one. Here is holographic thing. This hologram thing that I do not like. Trying to reduce it with powder, which is actually doing a very good job. I've really reduced it, as you can see. Okay. So for lips today, I'll be lining my lips brown. So I got this lipstick from Miniso Queen's Collection Lip Pencil in Opal Red. Hello Cosmetics Posh. It's a nude lipstick. Try to dull down the initial one. Now I'm just gonna try to clean around the lips to give it a very clean look. Then I want to set my face using the Morphe Concealer Spray. I'll be right back to show you the final look. So this is the final look. I really like the foundation routine I did today because I don't know, it felt different. My foundation feels light. Like my foundation always feels light when I do it on my face, but like it feels really different. It feels like everything is legit staying. Like I feel like I'm not wearing foundation, which is good, like in every level of good. But I think the only is actually not a bad technique to use, but I don't know whether or not it's going to last because I just did it. And the whole idea is this: it was said that the foundation routine or the whole makeup routine will let your makeup stay longer. Basically, it's just like using your setting powder before you apply your foundation, which tends to help you matte your face, which is a very good technique, and I have seen a lot of YouTubers do that. But me trying it for the first time, I like it. I would most definitely do it again, and I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I would just run it and get back to you on my next video to just tell you how long the foundation lasted on my face for. Like the foundation lasted under pressure, which I can't say now. Maybe I'm just going to have to do another video or do the look again when I can go out and explore, because now when I go out I will just do the makeup and go out and then give you guys feedback on whether or not it's doable for the whole day. But all in all, it's actually not a bad technique to do. I really enjoyed it. It's not that different from the one I do regularly, like I said earlier, but it's something you can try. and see for yourself. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. This video was actually a very different one from what I do. If you want to see other videos like this, me reviewing makeup trends that there is, please don't forget to comment on them. Also, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you very much, and see you on my next one. But before we go, you can always check out my 2 videos